Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings. We will start with the customization and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So in the settings, let's open display and brightness, and here let's go to eye comfort and sleep. So let me just ignore a little bit this bedtime mode because I'd like to focus on the traditional eye protection. I just want to omit that because it is more or less automatic, so I don't really think there is a need to explain anything. However, the eye protection, the eye comfort has a little bit more options. So let's simply tap on the switcher, and after tapping on it, you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can also change the intensity of that feature here just by using the switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. It is almost, I would say, orangish. We've got also display effects, so let's simply tap on it. Of course, we can display everything in color. Here we've got the reference photo where we can check the colors. So they will be displayed, however they will be affected kind of by the eye comfort. But we can also display everything in black and white manner. So as you can see, it will be applied to the whole screen, so everything will be black and white. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer. You can also schedule that feature. So let's tap on schedule. Tap on the switcher, and here you can turn it on at custom time, so you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Alright, so this is the whole customization, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. And now we have to find the eye comfort icon right here. So in my case, it's right there. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. If you do not have the eye comfort icon here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon. Find it in this list below. So let's pretend this is the eye comfort mode. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this top section. So we will apply it to the panel. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.